Love CBD is all around us. It's literally everywhere, you know. From our browsers to our trousers, I feel it in my knees and written on the breeze. Love CBD, love CBD, love CBD. Love CBD, there's so much to discuss. I feel it in my fingers, I feel it in my guts. Oh, I feel it in my knees, I feel it in my knees. And written on the breeze, love CBD, love CBD, love CBD. You're all around us. You're dancing in the sea and swimming in the breeze. Love CBD. You're all around us, all around us. I feel it in my knees and written on the breeze. There's a lot of love and it fills the air. It fills the morning like a wistful prayer. Do you remember that Gary Kemp? His name sounds a lot like him. Fingers, toes, and all